Hello my dear friend, my name is Vivek and I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to know about the free courses of the web development through which you can learn the web development in free. First of all, we get to know about what is the web development. In web development, we are going to learn the languages which are used to make the website. There are three languages. First, HTML, second, CSS, third, JavaScript. First, HTML. What is the HTML? HTML is the basic structure of any website through which we can make the basic structure of any website. Second, CSS. CSS give the color, look, style. We can add the colors in our website. Third is JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a brain of the website which help the website to function automatically. Now come upon the which are the courses through which we can learn the web development in free. First I will suggest you the YouTube channel through which you can learn the web development course. We have to just open the YouTube. Then we have to just write on the search box Aman Dattarbal website development. Then there is a playlist is come up in front of us. We can open this. This is the playlist of web development course, and this is the very good and animated course. This is a very good course. You can see that there is many videos of web development. There is also videos of HTML, CSS, and in the end there is videos about the JavaScript. You can learn it from here. Second is a website, name is Disk Udemy. Disk Udemy is basically a website which is providing online free courses. In this website you get some of the courses free. We have to just write on the Disk Udemy on the web browser, and then we have to open the website with Disk Udemy. Here you can see that there are the many courses which are available in free. You can see that the price is $0. We have to just find the course. For finding the course, we have to click on the search button. Now we are searching the web development course, so we have to write the web development course. Write the web development course. Here you can see that there are the course available are coming up front. These courses are available and these courses are free. Third is a Coursera. We have to just write on the search for Coursera, and then we have to click on the website. It is also a website which is providing online courses. Here we have to write down what we want to learn. We want to learn web development, so we write web development courses. Here you can see that there is a courses open of web development. Here you can see that this is free. You can enroll it by clicking on this website. On this, in this you will not get the certificate. If you want the certificate, you have to pay some fees, but you can learn this course in free.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video beneficial, then click on the like button. If you have any type of query, you can write below in the comment section. I will definitely give the answer of all the queries. If any, you can write down.